Hello, this instructional video demonstrates the steps to prepare and apply EcoSmart's hardscape coating ECT 1470 onto a flagstone walkway. ECT 1470 is a silicone ceramic coating designed to provide maximum protection to pavers, stone, brick, cement, and other masonry products. It protects against staining, microbial growth, fading due to UV exposure, acid rain, and other environmental pollutants. This product restores and brings out color to surfaces it is applied. It also repels water, making the coated surface not slippery when wet. You'll want to make sure you have enough ECT 1470 to cover the job. 1 gallon covers approximately 400 to 800 square feet depending on the porosity of the surface you're coating. I recommend using a power washer to remove embedded dirt and grime, along with EcoSmart ECT 1453 concentrated cleaner or some equivalent to remove tough stains. You'll also need a pump garden sprayer, an infrared thermometer, safety glasses, chemical resistant latex gloves, overspray protection, denatured alcohol for cleanup, trash bags for waste disposal, and it'd be good to have an electric blower or a broom just to clean the surface. Preparing the walkway is critical to the project's success. Surface condition and cleaning are critical to achieving the desired bonding and finish. Using a high-pressure washer and an aspirating cleaning solution, I remove dirt, mold, and mildew, and finish by rinsing the flagstone thoroughly to leave no residues. I'll let the surface dry for at least 24 hours before applying the ECT 1470. A good tip is using electric blowers to help accelerate drying if you're in a hurry, checking to make sure no rain is in the forecast, and shutting off automatic sprinklers until the application is complete. ECT 1470 is a 3-component product which must be properly mixed for curing to occur. It comes in kit form with separate containers labeled A, B, and C. The total time for mixing is temperature dependent and can take up to 2 hours. My recommendation is to mix the day before applying, knowing you have 7 days to use it once it's mixed. Caution: always wear protective equipment when mixing, applying, or handling ECT 1470. You'll need your safety glasses, protective clothing, and rubber gloves. Start by pouring Part B into the bottle labeled Part A. Tighten the cap, shake for 20 seconds, set the bottle down, loosen the cap, and allow the alcohol vapors to escape. You'll notice that the bottle will heat up through the reaction of parts A and B mixed together. Temperature should reach at least 135 degrees or higher. If the temperature is lower than that, tighten the cap again, shake it lightly, set it down, and loosen the cap. After about 30 minutes has passed, retighten the cap and shake again. Set the bottle down, loosen the cap, and allow the bottle temperature to fall below 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And this can take up to about an additional 60 minutes or more. Now you're ready to add Part C into the admixture of A and B. Tighten the cap, shake again for 15 seconds, loosen it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes before you're ready to use. Once mixed, material is good for 7 days. Keep the container closed and in a cool place when it's not in use. Observe the weather conditions before applying. Warm surfaces or windy conditions dry ECT 1470 quickly. If the desired effect is not reached, wash the coating off with denatured alcohol before it dries and recoat. We recommend testing a small area before applying in earnest. Using a garden sprayer with a conical tip is the simplest application process. You can also use a roller or a brush to cut in. You'll want to move fast to maintain a wet line of control and apply no more than 1 to 1.5 milliliters of 1470 on non-porous surfaces like flagstone. Shake the catalyzed bottle of 1470 parts A, B, and C well and pour into the sprayer. Apply a thin mist using even strokes. If you get too much on a certain area, wipe with denatured alcohol to remove excess and then remist that area in a few minutes. On porous surfaces like pavers, apply a light mist coat and then 3 to 5 minutes later, apply a second mist coat to ensure reasonable penetration and even the sheen on the surface. Do not soak or allow to pool. Touch-ups can be handled with a microfiber or short nap mohair roller with a solvent-resistant core, or with a natural hair bristle brush while the initial application is still freshly wet. When you're done, maintain dry conditions to enhance full curing for at least 4 to 8 hours. Allow application devices in empty, uncapped bottles to dry in air and then dispose as solid municipal waste. Clean the sprayers with denatured alcohol as soon as possible. And if you get some product on your skin, just rinse it away with denatured alcohol. Cap any remaining materials tightly and store in a cool place. Maintenance of your coated walkway is minimal. Sweeping and hose pressure rinsing is generally adequate. You're now ready to enjoy your revitalized walkway for years to come. Learn more about our products by visiting our website, ecosmartsurfaces.com.